Hi everyone, Jennifer here with another early literacy tip for you. Today I'm going to show you how cooking at home with your kids can be a great way to promote early literacy skills. In the next portion of this video, you will see my daughter and myself, we are following a recipe on the back of a box of how to make pancakes. And you'll see things like me pointing out words to her, asking her what sounds certain letters make. You'll also see us, following steps, first, next, last, this sort of thing. So there's really a lot of different concepts that you can introduce that pertain to early reading skills. So sit back and relax and just enjoy the next part of the video. We're making pancakes. What letter does pancake start with?
Recipe.
Yeah, we're gonna follow a recipe on the back. And this tells us what ingredients we need to make 5 to 7 pancakes. And we've got our measuring cup here. Our measuring cup is gonna tell us how much of something to put in. So this whole thing is 1 cup. This whole jar right here.
Ooh.
1 cup. How many cups? 1. Just one cup.
Mm-hmm.
So first, it tells us that we need to preheat our oven. We've got our stove. We've got our stove preheated. And we're gonna blend all of the things that we need in order to make the pancakes. See, so there's 4 steps. I've already done the first one. Now we're on the blend. We need to blend our ingredients. So we are going to mix 1 cup of the mix, this is what we call the mix, to 2/3 cup of water. So first,
I'm gonna do the flour. I'm gonna do the flour.
So I want you to help me. Look right here. Look at where that 1 is and tell me when I've gotten to the top. Are you watching?
I wanna try.
You want to do a little bit?
Mm-hmm. Can I just take it out and put it in there?
You can pour it. Here, I can help you. Ooh, I think we got a little bit too much, but that's okay. Maybe we can put some back if we need to. Let's see.
Flour.
I know, it makes a big mess. Okay, that's about right. Look, so what do we have? 1 what? What do we call this?
1 cup.
1 cup, that's right. So we're gonna put 1 cup in the bowl. I'm gonna let you pour it.
All by
Kind of
myself?
heavy. All by yourself, yep.
I made some.
Okay. Good job. And then we have to put 2/3 cup of water. So I'm going to show you where that is on here. Look at the measuring cup. This is 2/3 right here. It's a fraction. Do you see where I'm pointing?
Mm-hmm.
2/3. So we have to fill this little jar with water up to here. So I'm going to do that. And then I'll let you pour it in the bowl. Well, hopefully you found that portion of the video helpful, and hopefully you found some new ways that you can incorporate these pre-reading skills while you're cooking at home together as a family. Thanks for watching, and please join us in the future for more early literacy tips.